The journey to increase sales and conversions in banks and credit unions starts with one crucial element: engaging customers when they're ready to convert. It's why having a tool that connects with them at the right moment isn't just nice to have, it's essential. Meet Engageware, the powerhouse for supercharging your sales and conversions. But let's not just talk about it, let's show it. How does it work? Picture this: a customer indicates he wants a loan, and our humanized intelligent virtual assistant is there to help. What happens next is seamless efficiency. Our virtual assistant recognizes them as an existing customer, offers optional authentication, and even identifies a loan application they already started, enabling the client to get it right away. Next, it's all about conversion, turning that interest into a finalized loan with options tailored to your customer's preferences, whether online processing or face-to-face meetings. Engageware equips you with versatile interfaces to connect with customers where they are. It's about proactive engagement with compelling calls to action. At the end of the day, what you need is a seamless guide for your customers, from their first inquiry to the final closure. Engageware makes it real. With our 2-decade legacy as an industry leader for banks and credit unions, we're ready to boost your sales and conversions. Reach out to explore how we can optimize every interaction with your customers.